Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the exercise part of the poem Rainforest. Complete the sentences with words or phrases from the poem. The fallen dash and dash cover the ground. Fallen leaves, and tree trunk. The dash has milk white plums. Caped heron. People get medicines from the rainforest to heal diseases. The dash is trying to survive the tractor's roar. Rainforest. Banana trees dash and dash grow in the rainforest. Banana trees, giant figs, and palm trees. Palm trees. Next, read the line and answer the questions. This is the place where the wet soil heaves as beetles scamper around. Which place is the poet referring to? Rainforest. The poet referring to rainforest. Why do the beetles scamper around? Because to get food. What does the poet mean by wet soil heaves? It means the soil is breathing. This is the place. Next, this is the place that is dying, a place that will soon be no more. Which is the place? Rainforest. Why is the place dying? Because people are cutting trees. What does the poet mean by no more? No more means destroying. Next, complete the phrases using suitable collective nouns from the box. Then use any 5 of them in sentence of your own. A dash of wolves. A pack of wolves. A dash of puppies. A litter of puppies. A dash of grapes. A bunch of grapes. A dash of sailors. A crew. Crew of sailors. A dash of athletes. A team of athletes. A dash of musicians. A gang of band of musicians. Band of musicians. A dash of giraffes. A tower of giraffes. A dash of fish. A school of fish. A dash of robbers. A gang of robbers. A dash of books. A stack of books. Next. Fill in the blanks with suitable words associated with the words in bold. A glass of cool lemonade makes one feel refreshing. The dash in this pen has completely dried up. The ink in this pen has completely dried up. The days are so dash during the summer months. So hot. The medicine you gave me for my cough is so bitter. The dash of this book is known to be a funny person. The author of this book. The dash blew the whistles and football match ended. The referee. Understood? For this we finished our exercise part of this poem. Tomorrow we will see 11th lesson, Peter and the Wolf. Thank you.